Hi guys, Rachybop here. How you doing? Just thought I'd do a little vloggy vlog today because I haven't done one for a while and I'm just about to make pancakes. I don't know where to put you. Put you there. Can you see? So I'm just about to make some pancakes because it's Pancakes Day. Oh, I need my pan. So what, are you guys having pancakes today? You better be. Just let me find the pan. So I did a video last year of how to make pancakes, so I'm not doing one this year. I don't think it's on my YouTube channel there. I think it's on iTunes and Blip, if you guys want to find that. Basically it's just flour and eggs and milk. They're really easy to make. Or you can just get one of these. Betty Crocker. Quite fab actually. So while I make them, I just thought we'd have a little catch up. 1 second. So I've had a couple of requests from you guys to open an iPhone channel. So just put the lid on properly there. Just wanted to know how many of you want me to do that. Let me know and I'll do it. And also it's quite fun. It's all stuck in the bottom. Also, I was wondering if you guys are giving anything up for Lent. I think Lent starts tomorrow on Ash Wednesday. This is the most surreal video ever. So I think Lent starts tomorrow. So what are you giving up? Chocolate? Sausages? What should I give up? Don't say iPhone. Don't say Siri. Don't say YouTube. Because that ain't gonna happen. Realistically. What should I give up? It's really hard. This is never gonna mix. Can you see it's all like stuck? Oh, I'm supposed to shake it before I put the water in. Damn! Oh, that works. That's better. Okay, these probably easier just to get flour and eggs and milk and that's it. This is quite fun. So yeah. So what should I give up for Lent? What are you giving up for Lent? Are you having pancakes? So many questions. Do you like my vloggy vlog? Real life Rachybop. What should I call my iPhone channel? Rachybop's iPhone? Or Real Life Rachybop? Or Real Life Rachybop iPhone dot fab. What have you guys been doing today? Has anyone done any pancake events? Like anything super exciting? What are you going to have on your pancakes? We have a range of things up here. I think this is going to be my weapon of choice. Maple syrup. And this is actually from Canada. actually. Only got a tiny bit left. Got this in October last year. Still in date, I think. And I've been having it in my Rachybop sometimes, and I've tried to save a little bit for this day, this very day. I've also got Nutella and banana. No. I don't think we've got any treacle. Uh-oh. Oh no. Just poured oil everywhere. I'm the worst cook in the world. Look at that. You want to see this, guys? It's actually a bit of crock of this. Should be quite good. So, ooh. Don't know how many it makes. I don't know how many it makes. So yeah, how long have I done here? Oh, I got an email. 7 minutes. I'm gonna keep going till about 9 minutes something, and then I can upload to you guys and you can answer my many questions. Tell me what you're having on your pancakes, and is that face attractive, etc. Really warm. Went for a bike ride last night. Me and Ryan went for a bike ride. He's got a new bike and I thought I'd try it out. He went jogging and I biked about a mile behind him because I'm so unfit. And his seat on his bike, I think I've bruised my nun. If you don't know what a nun is, then just, I've bruised it, okay? And it's really, I haven't been able to sit down all day because of that bike. We did 2.5 miles. I think next time I'm gonna strap a cushion to my butt. Like, actually. I think I might strap my plumb bob cushion to my butt. If you haven't seen my plumb bob cushion, you need to add me on Instagram. It's coming on, guys. This is probably the most boring video I've ever done. Hopefully, 8 minutes. Look, come on, we need to get you done so I can do a bit of flipping before the video finishes. Where's my flipper? Oh my god. Just gonna, oh god, oh god. No, it's not ready. You hear when it's still runny on the top? And I want to do some air flipping. If you find that video from last year, I flipped on that. But you don't mean like mentally. This has got oil in the pan, so it's probably not a good idea to flip. Oh, I'm nearly at 10 minutes. No, guys. I'm gonna go. I love you. Goodbye.